Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two IT management tools platform, which is Atera and ManageEngine. So to get started, in 2025, Atera remains a top choice for small to mid-sized MSPs thanks to its intuitive, all-in-one IT management platform. It combines RMM, PSA ticketing, patch management, and remote access under a clean cloud-based interface. One of the Atera's biggest advantage is its per technician pricing, which allow you to manage unlimited endpoint without added cost, making it extremely cost-effective for smaller teams looking for scalability and the simplicity level. ManageEngine, developed by Zoro, takes a more enterprise-focused approach. It offers a modern suite of tools like Service Desk Plugs, Endpoint Central, and OPS Manager, covering everything from help desk support to deep infrastructural monitoring and security compliance. While it requires more setup and may involve higher costs, ManageEngine provides a powerful customization, advanced reporting, and a robust asset and user management perfect for IT department in large organizations. And here's the very conclusion about the two platforms. So choose Atera if you are a small IT or MSP looking for a unified, affordable solution with a minimal setup. Go with ManageEngine if you need more advanced enterprise-grade features and have the resources to manage a more complex ecosystem. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit more helpful. Give it a turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.